beauties, welcome back to my channel again. Today is another beautiful product reviewing day. Today we are going to review the Fair and White So White lotions and products. Yes, which is best and how to use it to achieve a maximum result. Fair and White is a well-known skincare brand made in Paris. Yes, their So White range is specially designed to brighten dull skin, even out your skin tone and give you a healthy glow. It is not meant to bleach your skin, rather it is meant to enhance your natural complexion. Yes. So guys, this is the Fair and White So White body lotions. Yes, it comes in two types. It has the Brightening lotion and the Maxi Tone. Yes, the So White Skin Perfector brightening and moisturizing body lotion and the So White Maxi Tone. Yes, and the serum as well. A lot of us has complained that this So White, the big one, So White brightening body lotion darken their skin, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use this lotion to brighten your complexion. So this is the Lay Skin Perfector. Yes, the So White Lay Skin Perfector brightening and moisturizing body milk. It is a brightening and moisturizing lotion that contains an ingredient that helps to fade away dark spots, smoothen rough skin, keep your body hydrated all the day. So if you want to brighten your skin, if you're having a sensitive skin, this lotion works for people that has a sensitive skin. This lotion is the best for you. So if you're having a sensitive skin, you want a lotion that will moisturize your skin very well, hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, you go for this particular one. Or if you have achieved your desired fair complexion, you can get this brightening and moisturizing body lotion, and it works. Believe me, it works. So if you want to glow your skin, you want to enhance your skin, you can add the So White serum. Yes, when you put the lotion, you mix it with the So White serum and you will get a more brighter, glowing, healthy looking skin. Yes. So this is the Fair and White So White Maxi Tone clarifying body milk. Yes guys, this one is more active than the other one. So if you're having a normal skin, combined skin, a normal to dry skin, this lotion is for you. Yes, it brightens the skin very fast, clears dark spots very fast, targets pigmentations and brown spots. It evens out your skin tone very fast, smoothens and softens your skin, and it adds a natural glow to your skin. So if you want a lotion that will glow your skin very fast, guys, this one is the best option. It helps to brighten your skin, moisturize your skin, and give you a healthy looking skin. So if you want to glow up very fast, you can use this lotion together with the shower gel. The shower gel helps to brighten your skin, moisturize your skin together with its lotion. So now let's talk about the Fair and White Gold. Yes, this particular brand comes in 3 different varieties. It has 1, 2 and 3. If you want to enhance your skin tone, this is the best option. Yes, this body lotion helps to brighten your skin. If you have not achieved your desired complexion, please go and get this particular brand. This one is very active than the other brand. Yes, so if you have used the other ones, in my next video I will be showing you the best one to use between these products. Yes, remember it comes in 3 different sections. It has 1, 2 and 3. Yes, it comes in 3 different varieties, but in my next video I'm going to spot out the best one, explain in details each of everyone, which one is good and which one is for your skin type. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to get all the info you need to know concerning skincare.